came back up here to start new, start over, just independently from everybody. I don't have no family here, so.
Like, you never know what you like without exploring. So I want to learn about myself, what other people are interested in.
Construction is really like a door to open up, a door I can open to get into a career, especially in something that I would like doing.
Triumph Workshop was founded really to be an investment in the community, to help people get jobs, to get training, to introduce kids or youth to the trades, and really to just be a community development center.
The right training and with the right guidance and with the right people, I'll be able to one day own my own construction company or pursue something in the construction field.
I took the first class back in April, and it was very good. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't know, and I got into electrician trade.
I work for TD Industries, a mechanical construction and service company. Our trade workforce started to age, retire. We noticed that there was a gap. It's nationwide, but a gap in skilled trade talent.
The overall concept of a construction education was lost in public education throughout the country.
I'm here just because I got out of prison, and then I was presented with the opportunity. I've always had like a passion for construction, building stuff. Ever since Legos back in the day, I thought I could almost build a time machine, you know what I'm saying? So I just always had a passion of putting stuff together.
Financial freedom, that's like my main goal. I just look like this, so yeah, I'm not at all like, I want to shoot up here.
Not only have we got help on construction, but financial advice and other just all kinds of advice that I didn't think I was going to get.
Because not every bank does what we're doing here, certainly not at this level. So I am proud to be a part of this, and I think it's super cool because this isn't about profiting. This has to do with giving back to a community and helping build a community.
I wanted to be a little bit more advanced as far as using power tools and stuff, and not only that, but measurements.
OSHA 10, safety training. That is huge on the job. For our company, safety is priority.
I think the Forge the Future program is something that a student somebody who's wanting to get into the construction industry is invaluable.
I mean, part of it is just the knowledge that they gain through the course, through the teaching that happens, through the relationships that are formed, through the introductions that they get to professionals in the industry.
And actually one of the other students said, hey, you need to hire this guy. He's really good. So gave him my phone number, and he came in for an interview, and he started yesterday.
So many steps forward, even if they're small, achieves a great distance. And that's what this is.
For a good pride, the good kind of pride. I'm proud that like we've made a toolbox and a planter box. I was proud to be able to, when I'm out there, I'm like, man, I made this.
I've already missed 18 months, so I don't think I had time to waste. I got kids and everything out there. I always believe in God and that He guides the steps, and I think He guided me to the right step on this one, because I've enjoyed every moment of it so far.
We've all got baggage, from our past. We all come from different backgrounds, and we exist here really to help people get on a new path and change their lives.
This completely changed my life, all the way around. My family sees it. The people that didn't think that I was ever going to do something with myself or make something of myself, now they get to see it. You don't ever quit on somebody if they haven't quit on themselves. Thank you.